Have you ever found yourself doubting your own reality? Wondering if you are the problem in the relationship? If so, you might be experiencing something called projected targeting. Projected targeting is a psychological manipulation tactic where narcissist projects their own insecurities and flaws onto you. They accuse you of things they are guilty of, making you question your own actions and even your sanity. They will mirror your own vulnerabilities, making you feel like they understand you, only to weaponize this knowledge later, twisting your emotions to keep you under their control. The tactic distorts your reality, leaving you in a state of confusion. You start to feel responsible for their projections, which only tightens their grip on you. Recognizing projected targeting is the first step to reclaiming your power. Because remember, you are not the problem. They are.